Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Hyundai Palisade versus the Infiniti QX60. We'll explore which three-row SUV better suits your needs and budget. The Palisade offers a strong value proposition with ample space for up to 8 passengers. The QX60, on the other hand, leans into luxury, providing a more premium experience for 6 or 7 occupants. Let's dive into the details to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, these SUVs offer different approaches. The Palisade features a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 287 horsepower for confident acceleration. The QX60 counters with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, producing 268 horsepower. While the Palisade offers a smooth 8-speed automatic, the QX60 uses a 9-speed transmission. Both provide optional all-wheel drive for varied conditions.
If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive insights. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're on the go or just organizing your fridge. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Inside, both vehicles prioritize comfort and technology, but with distinct flavors. The Palisade boasts a spacious cabin, seating up to 8, with a large 12.3-inch touchscreen and available features like a UVC sanitizing tray. The QX60 offers a refined interior for 6 or 7, featuring a similar 12.3-inch display, wireless smartphone integration, and available massaging front seats for ultimate luxury. Considering practicality, the QX60 generally offers better fuel economy, achieving up to 28 highway miles per gallon. The Palisade, however, provides more maximum cargo space, up to 87 cubic feet. Hyundai's warranty is also a standout, with 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain for original owners. The QX60, while luxurious, has slightly less cargo room and a standard 4-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.